Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today I'm going to get this countertop cleared off, and I'm going to unhook it and get it out of the kitchen. And I'm going to take this countertop, cut it to size, cut the hole for the sink, put the faucet into it, and then put it back into this. And we are going to get started now. So I got these side splashes, and I could see that I need a drywall repair over here. My other countertop did a little poke through the wall. And then after that's up, I'm going to have to put a little piece of trim molding along that back, because for some reason this countertop, to sit correctly, is sitting forward and not bumping against the wall back there. So I'm going to run, after this is all my paint is dry, and then I have the drywall repair, and then I'll paint that. And after that, I'm going to put some kind of a trim molding, whether it's a quarter round or something, maybe something waterproof. Alright, so the next thing I need to do here is a sink basket, hook up the water lines, get a plug for this fourth hole right here. We don't put the sprayers in. Round up something to clean up down below here and make it look less disgusting. Maybe some 1/4 inch plywood or something I'll pick up and vacuum all that out and get it cleaned up. I have to pick up a sink basket, and then I have to hook up the drain over here on the bathtub and the bathroom sink, and I think I have everything to do that. So let me see what I got here. I may end up doing the trim molding here in the kitchen. I do have that for sure, and let me get that knocked out, and then allow all this stuff to have time to dry. Actually, the very first thing I'm going to do is put mud on that hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in. See that? So that'll be handled here with some mud. And I gotta go downstairs and clean my brush, because I'm not gonna I can't booger up either one of these sinks or the bathtub. So I'll be back. folks. I gotta get out of here. I have to go look at an air conditioner at another property. Be back here tomorrow. Get this all put back together, finished running. Get this all put back together, finished running. Put the mirror up. Alright, here is another one of our properties. And apparently her air conditioning wasn't working or something. And let's go look. Alright, this is the furnace that's running this air conditioner, and this is freezing cold. Freezing cold. And it says up. And it's on and running. So I don't know what's up with that. This was the other bathroom that I put in. Oh, it's already trashed. I built this bathroom before I did the other one. Alright, so let me show you the outside of it. I had a hidden key here. Yeah, so this was just like an open basement here. And I built a bathroom. It's coming from the downstairs. No, I mean, if anything, I think she's running this thing too hard. It's kind of cold out. I didn't wear a sweatshirt. I'm kind of chilly. And, it's on. This is freezing. Freezing air coming out of this hole. Alright, I'll wait till she gets here, but it's on and running. There's no need for this light to be on. This is kind of funny. The lady that says that the air conditioning isn't working and it was just running is the window open. See that? The air conditioning's not working, but my window's wide open.